Hey, look, it's painted. It's stickered. Almost. I got to put mine on it still, but that's after we finish up our suspension. So, got it apart. We did put the toe link on at the shop the other day. Obviously, that did not fix everything we needed to fix. So I got a new upper. There's the old upper, which actually is might be halfway decent still. We'll hold on to that as a extra spare. But lower arm off the car. Lower arm from the parts car. Hey, look, Peyronie's disease. Anyway, so that's... Some people like the curve. Anyway, we are going to put the new suspension in. Well, the new to us. The partially new. I don't know how we should define it. But
new to us.
New to us. Put that in, and then we're going to align the car. All right. Mad thrashed. Suspension and everything's all together. Race wheels are going on. Next step is going to be, once all the wheels are on, we're going to go square it, align it. It's going to be nice. All right. It's all back together, all aligned. We're ready to rock. It's time to go out for practice. Scrub those babies up. Let's go. Yeah.
I watching visualizing with our Canadians, Dezarov,
gang, this is what happens when you win around here. When everybody cheers for you. Look at the line. Look at the line.